Starting around the 1st of May 2023, torrential slide truly is exchanging at $16.98 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.31% in truly most recent 1 hour in a fundamentally large manner. AVAX truly has a complete market cap of $5,576,978,979 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $143,397,977, or so they sort of thought. This fundamentally makes torrential slide lovely positioning at 16 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the torrential slide cost forecast finish of 2023, what will torrential slide be by and large worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is torrential slide a sort of wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely huge? Will AVAX cost essentially outperform its record-breaking high, which explicitly is very critical? These generally are our torrential slide cost expectations for AVAX's future, which is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. As per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the AVAX value sort of is supposed to generally cross a genuinely normal value level of $22.70. The normal most certainly least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the truly current year ought to in a real sense be $21.84, which is very huge. Besides, AVAX can truly arrive at a really greatest value level of $25.30 in a very huge manner. Torrential slide value estimate April 2023. In April 2023, the truly greatest cost for torrential slide could stretch around $18.62 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of a VAX in April 2023 generally is $16.55 with a genuinely normal cost of $18.10. Kind of additional appearance how is per the torrential slide estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the AVAX cost explicitly is supposed to especially cross a really normal value level of $22.70. The normal especially least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the especially current year ought to be $21.84. Or so they sort of thought. Torrential slide value conjecture May 2023 the normal cost of torrential slide could really go to $18.82 toward the finish of May 2023 in a sort of significant manner. AVAX could be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $19.34 with the very least expected cost of $18.13 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide value gauge June 2023. For June 2023 the cost of torrential slide most certainly is by and large anticipated to explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $19.58, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $20.09 and an extremely least of $18.89, which sort of is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value figure July 2023. In July 2023 the cost of torrential slide basically is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a really least of $19.28, which for the most part is very huge. Torrential slide cost can essentially arrive at a fundamentally limit of $21.07 with the typical cost of $19.97 in USD. Or so they sort of thought. Torrential slide value expectation August 2023. Torrential slide cost by and large is supposed to generally reach between $19.68 to $21.87 in August 2023, while the in every way that really matters normal cost of a VAX for the August for the most part remains around $20.37. Torrential slide value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023 the cost of torrential slide essentially is supposed to be at around, in all things considered, least of $20.49. Torrential slide cost can truly arrive at a truly limit of $22.69 with the very normal cost of $21.18 in USD, which truly is very huge. Torrential slide value expectation October 2023. The cost for torrential slide in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $21.13 and $23.53, which basically is very critical. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $21.82 in an in every way that really matters, huge way. Torrential slide value gauge November 2023 the for the most part normal cost of torrential slide could really go to $22.25 toward the finish of November 2023, which is genuinely critical. AVAX could by and large be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of $24.41 with the truly least expected cost of $21.57 in an unpretentious manner. AVAX value estimate December 2023. The torrential slide conjecture for December 2023 expects that the AVAX might arrive at an especially greatest worth of $25.30 within in every practical sense. Least cost of around $21.84, which is very huge. Discussing the genuinely normal value AVAX can by and large stretch around $22.70 for December, which sort of is genuinely critical. Torrential slide genuinely passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been in every way that really matters, diminished by 2.35% in its genuinely current worth in a significant manner. Assuming we explicitly think about the especially current market cap of the AVAX with yesterday, you can see that the market cap basically is additionally down, which sort of is genuinely huge. Torrential slide basically is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins in every way that really matters, large way. The AVAX in every practical sense is down to nearly 1.25% in the by and large most recent 7 days, which especially is genuinely critical. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for most certainly past for the most part couple of days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for truly at the same time. We don't in a real sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX in every practical sense diminished by 4.944%, killing an astounding certainly normal amount of 88 cents from its truly current worth, showing how while the typical exchanging cost ought to all things considered be around $21.82, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a very decent fundamentally purchase a potential open door for pretty fast speculation. Most certainly further appearance how AVAX sort of has an especially all-out market cap of $5,576,978,979 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $143,397,977 in an essentially enormous manner. The 90 days cost change is around 25.02%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a sort of least exceptionally normal cost of $12.03 to fundamentally most extreme really normal cost of $12.94 in the beyond 90 days in a very large manner. In essentially most recent 4 months, torrential slide has shown a developing pattern, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Subsequently, we especially believe that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period in a sort of significant manner. As per the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of torrential slide is expanded from 4 months, which generally is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost, so discussing the genuinely normal value AVAX can by and large stretch around $22.70 for December, which generally is very critical. The coin generally is up by 29.61% with the truly most extreme kind of typical cost of the coin sort of was around $13.50 and the truly least exceptionally normal cost of basically was around $12.93 in beautiful beyond 4 months in a kind of significant manner. Torrential slide value estimate 2023 FAQs